Hey Yoshi! What you doing? You eating snow? Get back in our yard. Come on. Yeah. No, 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 no! No, don't do that! No! No, no, no! You don't get it! No, 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 you gotta go back through the fence to get out. Ah, goodness. You don't understand, dog. So cute. He loves to catch his tail. So cute. What is it? Oh, that's it. There's his gay lover, Blitzen. Yoshi loves Blitzen. Aww. Yoshi! Yoshi! Here. Uh-oh. I think this might be frozen on. Ah. Here you go. Yay! Well, it's snowing harder and I look like crap, so yeah, it's really cold, hence my big fuzzy jacket and the hood, yo. For some reason Yoshi's not interested in his lover anymore. Do something cool, dog. Like, seriously. Oh, this would be really rad if you, like, didn't go under the fence again. What? Get it! Oh, go get it! Whoever's on the ground, go get it. Must be something cool under there. Like a mouse. Or something. My hands are freezing. You get it! So cute. I think he got it. You're so cute. You are so cute. Ah, there he is. Where are you? There you are. You can't reach it? Oh, I'm getting frostbite. It's cold. Get it? No. My fingers. Only got a few seconds left. And we can go inside, Yoshi. You're having fun. Oh, you don't. No. Oh. Blitz's still watching us. Where'd you go, Yoshi? Oh well. Leave you with this moment of stuff. Yeah. Bye, Yoshi. Bye. Bye, Blitzen. Bye, Yoshi.